Welcome to Smart Buys. From effortless chopping, blending, and cooking to smart cleaning and countertop convenience, these versatile kitchen gadgets transform meal prep and home care into faster, easier, and enjoyable experiences. All products links in the description section below. Imagine pulling off a perfectly crisp, golden 12 inches pizza, wherever your adventures take you: backyard, campsite, or beach. The Gosney Tread portable pizza oven blends high-performance cooking with lightweight, rugged design, heating up in just 15 minutes for stress-free outdoor dining. Its modular setup and intuitive controls make gourmet pizza a breeze, while durable construction ensures long-lasting reliability. Elevate your culinary escapades effortlessly. Experience it today for just $499.99. Turn everyday treats into fun, healthy moments with the WMKGG popsicle molds, made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone. These molds let you create colorful ice pops, smoothies, or frozen yogurt with ease. The unique cone shape fits little hands perfectly while catching drips, and the flexible, non-stick design ensures pops slide out effortlessly. Perfect for family fun or summer gatherings, these molds make homemade frozen treats simple, safe, and delightful for just $9.09. Make every meal a seamless, stress-free experience with the Lazy Susan Revolution. Perfect for family dinners, parties, or gatherings, this patented, expandable turntable lets everyone easily reach their favorite dishes without crowding the table. Heat-resistant, non-slip trays ensure safety and convenience, while quick assembly saves time. It adds both style and practicality to your dining space. Elevate shared meals effortlessly. Experience it today for just $109.98. Upgrade your breakfast routine with the Fohere 3-in-1 sandwich maker. With removable plates for sandwiches, waffles, and grilling, it delivers crispy, golden results quickly and evenly thanks to 1200W heating. Adjustable temperature control ensures perfect cooking every time, while non-stick, easy-to-clean surfaces make cleanup effortless. It's ideal for busy mornings, family breakfasts, or on-the-go meals. Make delicious homemade creations simple and convenient for just $52.99. Bring fun and creativity to your kitchen with the Holstein Houseware 6-count cupcake maker. Perfect for cupcakes, muffins, pizza cups, or cinnamon buns, this compact machine bakes treats quickly and evenly. Non-stick surfaces make cleanup effortless, while preheat indicator lights ensure perfect timing every time. Its lightweight, space-saving design fits any kitchen, and safety features give peace of mind. Elevate home baking with ease and style for just $34.99. Transform your cooking with the Chefman Crispinator Air Fryer, delivering crispy, golden results without the extra oil. Its 8-quart capacity and 6 versatile functions make it perfect for frying, baking, broiling, or dehydrating meals for family and friends. Turbo-free Pro technology ensures fast, even cooking, while the viewing window and non-stick ceramic basket make monitoring and cleanup effortless. Stylish, efficient, and award-winning, it's a kitchen game-changer for just $99.96. Simplify meal prep with the Mulla Original Pro Chopper, a versatile 10-in-1 kitchen tool built for speed and precision. With 8 stainless steel blades, it dices, slices, and juliennes vegetables and fruits in seconds, making healthy cooking effortless. The sturdy, easy-to-clean design, complete with a convenient container, saves time while keeping your workspace tidy. Perfect for quick weeknight dinners or family meals, this professional-grade chopper brings efficiency for just $29.99. Elevate your countertop cooking with the Chefman All-in-One Pizza Oven, a versatile appliance that makes pizza, omelets, pancakes, crepes, and more with ease. High heat top and bottom skillets ensure crispy, golden results in minutes, while non-stick surfaces make cleanup effortless. Compact, stylish, and convenient with LED indicators and integrated cord storage, it's perfect for busy kitchens or creative home cooking. Unlock endless culinary possibilities for just $99.96. Make blending, whisking, and frothing effortless with the JuicyArt 3-in-1 Immersion Blender. With a powerful 1000 West motor, 20 adjustable speeds, and turbo mode, it handles soups, smoothies, sauces, and even baby food with precision. Durable 300 for stainless steel blades and BPA-free components ensure safety and long-lasting performance, while the ergonomic handle keeps your hands comfortable during use. Achieve smooth, splash-free results in seconds. Upgrade your kitchen for just $38.49. Start every morning perfectly toasted with the Wall 4-Slice Toaster. Its extra long 10-inch slots, touchscreen controls, and projection display make selecting your bread type and preferred browning shade effortless. Reheat, defrost, and warming rack functions add convenience for all your breakfast needs. Durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, while easy clean crumb trays keep your kitchen tidy. Make breakfast simple, fast, and customizable for just $79.48. Bring versatility and efficiency to your countertop with the Ninja 13-in-1 Toaster Oven Air Fryer with dual heat technology and 13 cooking functions. It sears, air fries, bakes, broils, dehydrates, and more, delivering restaurant-quality results at home. The integrated Foodie Smart Thermometer ensures perfect doneness every time, while its space-saving, flip-away design keeps your kitchen organized. Cook faster, healthier, and smarter experience all-in-one convenience for just $322.56. Bring the ice cream shop home with the Ninja Creamy Scoop and Swirl Maker. With 13 one-touch programs, you can create scooped or swirled ice cream, frozen yogurt, sorbet, and milkshakes effortlessly. Soft serve, creamifit, and customizable mix-ins allow you to craft low-calorie, high-protein, or vegan treats your way. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple, and family-friendly controls ensure fun for everyone. Treat yourself and loved ones for just $348. Enjoy indoor grilling anytime with the Puconk Electric Indoor Grill. Its 2-in-1 design with a non-stick removable plate and raclette pans lets you grill, roast, or fry burgers, veggies, seafood, and more. Rapid heating, adjustable temperature control, and smokeless operation make cooking fast, healthy, and hassle-free. Dishwasher-safe parts simplify cleanup. Perfect for family meals or date nights, this versatile grill delivers delicious results for just $42.70. Make enjoying corn on the cob effortless with the Ogson 18-piece corn cob holder set. Ergonomic silicone handles and rust-resistant stainless steel prongs keep hands safe from heat, while the included butter spreader adds convenience and fun. The interlocking design ensures easy storage, and the vibrant colors make every meal playful. Perfect for BBQs, picnics, and family dinners, this handy set combines safety, style, and practicality for just $9.95. Experience hands-free, deep cleaning with the Eureka J15 Ultra Robot Vacuum. With 19,000 PA suction, a FlexArm mop, and AI obstacle avoidance, it tackles dust, debris, and pet hair with precision. The self-emptying base, hot water mop washing, and drying system keep maintenance minimal while delivering spotless floors. Edge-to-edge coverage and tangle-free brushes make cleaning effortless. Transform your home cleaning routine with cutting-edge technology for just $599.97. Upgrade your kitchen routine with the Chefman electric kettle, designed for fast, precise boiling. With 5 temperature presets, tricolor LED indicators, and a removable tea infuser, it's perfect for tea, coffee, or hot chocolate. The 360 swivel base and cordless design make pouring effortless, while safety features like automatic shut-off provide peace of mind. Elegant glass and stainless steel construction blend style with practicality. Enjoy convenience and quality for just $29.99. Unleash professional-grade blending with the Vitamix Ascent X5 blender featuring 10 automated programs that handle everything from smoothies and soups to nut butters and non-dairy milks. The 48 oz container stainless steel blades, touch controls, self-cleaning cycle, and tamper indicator combine to deliver precision and convenience in one sleek package. It's a culinary investment you'll feel every time you press start for just $749.95. The Magic Bullet 11-piece blender brings convenience and versatility to your kitchen with a compact, lightweight design perfect for single-serve smoothies, sauces, and dips. Its 250-watt motor effortlessly chops, blends, whips, and grinds, while dishwasher-safe cups and included recipe guide make cleanup and inspiration easy. Ideal for quick meals or on-the-go snacks, this efficient, all-in-one blender delivers big results in a small package for just $34.99. The iVac Home Touchless Vacuum Automatic Dustpan makes cleaning effortless and hygienic with motion-activated sensors that instantly suck up dust, pet hair, and debris. Its powerful 1,000-watt motor and high-efficiency filters ensure spotless floors and cleaner air. Perfect for pet owners, busy households, and seniors, this bagless, corded vacuum eliminates bending down and simplifies daily cleanup. Experience hands-free convenience and ultimate efficiency for just $169. The Utensil Stir Plus automatic pan stirrer transforms meal prep by effortlessly stirring soups, sauces, and gravies while you focus on other tasks. With 3 speed settings, a customizable timer, and heat-resistant detachable legs, it ensures precise, safe, and hands-free cooking. Its USB rechargeable battery provides up to 5 hours of continuous use, and cleanup is easy thanks to dishwasher-safe components. Compact, stylish, and efficient chores for just $44.95. Cleaning high-rise or hard-to-reach windows becomes effortless with the mid-clear magnetic window cleaner. Its adjustable 6-gear magnetic force ensures a secure grip on single or double-glazed windows, while soft sponge pads and extra accessories make streak-free cleaning simple. The included 118-inch safety rope allows worry-free exterior use from inside, and replacement pads keep maintenance easy. This essential tool is available for $39.89. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more great home and kitchen finds. Give this video thumbs up and share your thought in the comment section below.